Stop scrolling for a second, because there are penny stocks moving right now that most people haven't even noticed yet. And the truth is, when it comes to low-priced stocks, the biggest opportunities often happen before everyone starts talking about them. Once they start trending on every stock forum and social media page, the easy move is usually already gone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about 5 penny stocks trading under $2 that are showing interesting activity, unique sectors, or price behavior that traders are beginning to watch closely. As always, we're going to do this a little differently. I'll break down the stock's price, sector, and potential movement first, and only after that will I reveal the actual company name. So make sure you stay until the end. Let's start with the first one. The first stock on the list is connected to the electric vehicle industry, which has been one of the most talked about sectors in the market over the past few years. This company focuses on developing innovative electric vehicles designed to make transportation more efficient and environmentally friendly. The EV sector itself is still evolving rapidly, and companies operating in this space often experience strong interest whenever investors begin looking toward future mobility solutions. Right now, this stock is trading at around 21 cents, which makes it one of the lowest priced names on today's list. Stocks in this price range can be extremely volatile, but that volatility is exactly what attracts speculative traders. What is interesting here is that the stock has recently been holding a relatively stable range rather than continuously falling. That kind of stabilization can sometimes signal that selling pressure is slowing down and buyers are starting to accumulate shares. If momentum starts building again in the EV sector, this stock could potentially attempt a move toward the 35 cents to 40 cents range in the coming weeks. The stock is Electromechanica Vehicles, ticker SOLO. Now let's move to the second stock. This one operates in the global shipping and maritime transportation industry. Shipping companies play a crucial role in international trade, especially when it comes to transporting raw materials such as coal, grain, and iron ore across continents. Whenever global trade activity increases, shipping companies often benefit from higher demand for cargo transportation. The stock is currently trading around $1.59, placing it comfortably within the penny stock category while still being above the ultra-low price zone. One thing traders often watch with shipping companies is the relationship between freight rates and stock performance. When shipping demand rises, these stocks sometimes experience sudden upward movements. The chart for this stock has shown periodic bursts of trading activity, which suggests that traders occasionally jump in when they see opportunity. If the momentum returns and volume increases, the stock could potentially test the $1.90 to $2.20 range in the near future. The stock is Globus Maritime, ticker GLBS. Before we move to the next stock, quick reminder: if you enjoy content like this and want to stay updated on interesting penny stock opportunities, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow and ensures you don't miss future market breakdowns. Now let's continue with the third stock. The next company on the list is involved in the gold mining sector. Gold-related companies often move when the price of gold itself rises, and historically, smaller mining companies sometimes see larger percentage gains than the big mining giants. That's because smaller companies tend to react more dramatically to commodity price changes. This stock is currently trading around $1.80, which places it near the upper end of the penny stock range we're covering today. What makes this stock interesting is that gold itself often becomes more attractive during periods of economic uncertainty or inflation concerns. When investors start moving money into precious metals, mining companies can see increased attention. From a technical perspective, the stock has been showing moderate trading activity and holding key support levels. If gold prices strengthen or investor interest returns to the sector, this stock could attempt to move toward the $2.20 to $2.40 range over time. The stock is TRX Gold Corp, ticker TRX. Now let's talk about the fourth stock. This company operates in the plant-based food industry, a market that gained massive popularity over the past decade as consumers began looking for alternative protein sources. Even though the sector has experienced ups and downs, companies in this space still receive significant attention because of changing dietary trends and sustainability discussions. The stock is currently trading around 76 cents, which places it firmly in the sub-dollar category. What's interesting about this stock is the brand recognition it has built over time. Even during difficult market conditions, companies with strong brand awareness can sometimes attract renewed investor interest when sentiment improves. From a trading perspective, the stock has experienced noticeable volatility before, meaning it's capable of sharp percentage movements when momentum appears. If buyers return and sentiment improves around the plant-based food sector, the stock could potentially attempt to move toward the 95 cents to $1.15 range. The stock is Beyond Meat, ticker BYND. Now let's move to the fifth and final stock on today's list. This company operates in the biotechnology sector, specifically focusing on developing innovative vaccine technology. Biotech stocks are known for being extremely reactive to news events, clinical trial updates, or regulatory developments. Because of that, even small announcements can sometimes cause significant price movements. This stock is currently trading around 78 cents, which makes it another sub-dollar name that traders often watch for potential momentum plays. What stands out here is the company's focus on developing oral vaccines, which is an interesting approach compared to traditional injectable vaccines. Innovative delivery platforms can attract attention from investors if the technology shows promise. The stock has seen bursts of trading activity in the past, suggesting that traders are willing to jump in quickly when momentum appears. If renewed interest returns to biotech or if company developments generate attention, the stock could potentially move toward the $1 to $1.20 range. The stock is Vaxart, ticker VXRT. So there you have it, 5 penny stocks under $2 from very different sectors including electric vehicles, global shipping, gold mining, plant-based foods, and biotechnology. Each one represents a completely different part of the market, which means different catalysts could drive their movements. Of course, penny stocks are always risky and volatile, so it's important to do your own research before investing in any company. Now I want to ask you something. Which one of these 5 stocks do you think has the most potential to move first? Is it the electric vehicle company, the shipping provider, the gold miner, the plant-based food brand, or the biotech vaccine developer? Let me know your answer in the comments. I always enjoy seeing what you think. And if you want information or updates about any stock you're watching, make sure to check the WhatsApp channel link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.